Welcome to a Christmas Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and our guest host today is Creating with Miss K. Okay, here is my tablescape for today. What I've decided to do is add a little bit of pink to my tablescape. So I have this pink vase with some white poinsettias in it and a little bit of red berries. And this pink depression glass vase I recently thrifted. And then from Amazon, I have these beautiful pink wine glasses. And then I found these Christmas trees that light up from the Dollar General. And then I have my Linux cup and saucer and dinner plate. Now, as for the salad plate, I'm using these pansy plates that are slightly tinted pink. And then I added a red velvet napkin ring around my cream colored napkins. So I thought this made for a very elegant and soft tablescape. And I also have a crystal candle holder with a red battery operated candle in it. Okay, now I've dimmed the light so you can see the trees all lit up. And I do have a depression glass candy dish there on the end and a really pretty table runner that's green with little white dots that kind of look like snow. I hope this gave you some ideas on how to decorate your Christmas tablescape with a little bit of pink. I want to thank Anna for hosting this collaboration, and I want to thank Creating with Miss K for being our special guest. Thanks for watching.